come to the ultimate destination for exhilarating chainsaw adventures. Here, you will experience the thrill of directly participating in exciting activities. Join now to experience the thrill and excitement of every moment in forestry. It was a tragedy when a 14-ton sequoia tree, crystallized from the team's efforts over 10 hours of hard work over 2 days, was destroyed by fire. This is a heartbreaking reminder of the terrible destructive power of forest fires, which can wipe out priceless wonders that nature has spent hundreds of years creating. On the rugged cliffs of Colombia, a giant cedar tree stretches out to challenge the sky. The lumberjack, small but steadfast like an iron warrior, stood before that natural giant. Each cut represents his enthusiasm and strength, and when the tree falls, a shockwave resounds throughout the mountains, like a strong declaration of man before the majestic nature. The professional sawyer was brave and decisive in cutting down the tree in a moment of breathless tension and safety. Vortex skid steer stump grinder, RAW, the ultimate solution to remove all stubborn tree stumps. With its strong, durable design and outstanding performance, don't miss the opportunity to own this indispensable machine for your garden. The veneer rotary line with its sharp, multi-purpose cutting blade is an impressive machine. From thick logs, the machine turns them into thin, smooth veneer panels, with each cut being sharp and precise down to the millimeter. This powerful and precise process highlights the cutting-edge technology in modern carpentry, transforming wood into works of art. Imagine this majestic cedar tree, standing tall after 500 years, each grain of wood recording the story of resilience through generations. To fell trees without affecting the surrounding ecosystem, a team of skilled and experienced loggers is needed. When the tree finally fell, the scene was overwhelming, a moment of power and celebration of nature. This logging truck is clearly overextended, struggling with heavy logs that seem to exceed its load capacity. The time has come for it to surrender, to resign itself to the overwhelming challenge, an unfortunate moment of failure for the resilient machine. The Tiger Cat is not simply a normal device, but is also considered a work of art in the forestry industry. With its sturdy construction and sophisticated design, it exudes perfection in every detail. Do you want to try your hand at driving this impressive machine? If you are a skilled worker, can we believe what we are witnessing? The logs, after being cut down by machinery, have now been moved out of the mining area. Thanks to the pulley system, combined with the power of heavy machinery, we ensure that the quality of the wood is not compromised. We're almost done. Oak tree with beautiful shaggy bark is preparing to be cut. Watch as the pieces of wood glide smoothly into place to cut the board. This compact-style MS400 mower with 42-inch bar and 8-bolt RIM is surprisingly sturdy. There's no denying that the colossal M8 marks a huge step forward in home carpentry. It not only cuts wood, but also reshapes the way we perceive traditional crafts. This is truly a valuable tool for anyone passionate about carpentry. It was amazing to watch the Big Hill Peterbilt logging 359 classic movie forward heroically, tearing through the thick layer of snow, demonstrating the extraordinary power of a giant machine. Here's how the Timberjack 530B stripper works with its 160 horsepower motor that explodes with power as it lifts a 2200 lbs log. Powerful hydraulic arms move the logs easily toward the waiting, growling log crusher. As the wood is inserted, the sound of crushing resonates throughout the space, demonstrating the impressive power and performance of this stripper. The challenging terrain is testing the tree trailer's strength and endurance, hindered by the thick layer of leaves below ground. These natural obstacles do not slow down, but only make the car demonstrate its ability to overcome all obstacles, affirming its position in the mechanical world. If you are looking for a tree stump removal solution, Stump Humper is an ideal solution for tree stump removal, equipped with a 27 HP Kohler EFI engine. Flexible pivot point design allows access over a distance of 36 inches. It is capable of crushing tree stumps up to 20 inches in diameter in just a few minutes. At around $10,000, it's a worthy investment for sustainable tree stump treatment. Witness the worker standing in the middle of the forest, wearing a protective suit, bowing his head before the towering giant tree. Sunlight shines through the leaves, creating bright spots on his orange outfit. There was sadness in his eyes as he whispered goodbye. The chainsaw engine roared, emphasizing the choking moment when the tree, a witness of time, now only remains a memory in the heart of the worker. Northland JCB has just demonstrated the beefy Hydrating 110W, equipped with a Loftness battle axe head, with outstanding power for forest landscape cleanup project. Hydrating 110W weighs 12.5 tons and is equipped with a 75Q engine, allowing flexible operation and easy movement on all terrains. The battle axe attachment, with a cutting width of up to 60 inches, helps rip through dense vegetation and easily dispose of waste, creating ideal conditions for beautifying forest landscapes. Accompanying the work, the Kubota K-X57 demonstrated outstanding strength when it easily pushed down a 30-foot tall pine tree. With a powerful 50-horsepower motor, this device not only digs soil, but also pulls down large trees with just one push. The roaring sound of the engine blends with the sound of cracking wood, creating a dramatic moment that shows off the machine's impressive ability to do this hard work. It's impressive to see large logs being driven elegantly. The image of a log lowered into the river from a barge is not only beautiful, but also demonstrates a unique method of transportation. The logistics of this operation are complex and require meticulous planning to ensure smooth operation. The Timberjack 450C chainsaw is a powerful machine, capable of pulling large logs from ravines efficiently. Its impressive engine roars, demonstrating the awesome power of this device. You won't be able to take your eyes off the sight of Mike's Kenworth 659 speeding through dangerous hilly roads. It's truly a wonderful visual experience. The future of reforestation has arrived with the Max X2 crop, the innovative reforestation machine that is revolutionizing Brazilian fields. With cutting-edge technology, this technology is not just a device, but a firm commitment to a greener planet. Our adventure ends here. Thank you for taking your time to watch the video. Let us know what you think. Hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content.